Case Specialized Workshop. An experienced master mechanic. And your questions.
Hi everybody, Silvio from Italy sent me an email asking, my wheel loader will reach 2,000 running hours in 2 weeks and I will have to do the maintenance in our workshop. But ordering the parts is very time consuming. Is there any way to make it easier? Well Silvio, you are right to plan for the 2,000-hour service because it is key if you want your machine to keep working as efficiently as the first day. You will need to replace as many as 12 filters and a belt, and it can take a while to get the part numbers to place the order. The good news is that now you don't have to, because we offer service maintenance kits for the 500, 1,000 and 2,000-hour services, all with genuine parts. So there is just one part number when you order. You receive everything you need in a clearly labeled box, easy to store and unpack. And by buying the parts as a kit, you benefit from better prices and lower your TCO. This offer is simply magic, so much so that it is also used in our case care maintenance contracts. Silvio, we will bring you the genuine parts kit you need to maximize the efficiency of your wheel loader next week. Take Ted's word for it.